Profit volume ratio or PV ratio, it is a new concept for you. It is the ratio of contribution to sales. It states the relationship between contribution and sales. Therefore, it is calculated by using important formula, that is PV ratio equal to contribution divided by sales, or symbolically you can say S minus V divided by sales, or F plus or minus P divided by sales. This ratio can also be calculated by comparing the change in contribution or profit to change in sales as under, or PV ratio equal to change in contribution divided by change in sales, or you may write PV ratio equal to change in profit or loss divided by change in sales. This ratio can also be expressed in terms of percentage. It is useful in appraising profitability of alternative products, operation and schemes. A higher ratio indicated greater profitability and lower ratio shows lesser profitability. Therefore, the management should always strive hard to raise PV ratio by widening the gap between sales and variable cost. Thus, PV ratio is a key to many problems in decision making. It may be used for calculation of break-even point and other profit sales relationship measures as under. Now, you must remember here some formulas are there. First one, that is BEP, break even point, sales equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. You must remember this formula. Then PV ratio may be calculated by altering the above mentioned formula. PV ratio equal to fixed cost divided by BEP sales. Now next, one more formula you must remember: sales to earn a given amount of profit. In the problem they will give profit. Now what is the formula? Fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio. Now third formula you must remember it: contribution equal to sales into PV ratio. Suppose you want to find out the fixed cost, then again what you have to do? Fixed cost equal to BP sales into PV ratio. Suppose you are going to find out the variable cost. At that time, BP sales, start with bracket 1 minus PV ratio, close the bracket. Now sales, how you are going to find out sales? That formula is contribution divided by PV ratio. Now profit equal to sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. Same again, last formula, that is fixed cost equal to sales into PV ratio minus profit. These formulas you must remember throughout this chapter, marginal costing.